Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to poke on Facebook. So let's get into it. Let's navigate to the Facebook mobile app and tap to open it. You might have forgotten about pokes. They've kind of hidden it within the Facebook app, but it's still there where you can poke anybody on the Facebook app. At the very top right, you can see that little search icon. Tap on that search icon. And in the search bar, just type pokes. Here it is in the search results. Tap to open it. The very first option is poke your friends and see who has poked you. Tap on this option to open the pokes page. The pokes page will show you a list of people who have already poked you and also friends who suggested you poke. You can poke back someone who has poked you. To poke someone, simply tap the poke button next to their name. But if you want to poke someone new, use the search bar at the top and find them by typing their name in the search bar. Poking is a simple way to interact with your friends on Facebook. It's a fun and lighthearted way to show someone you're thinking of them. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. We're eager to hear from you.